Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I want to go over this cable that I got from UGREEN. So with this cable, I do want to thank UGREEN for actually gifting this to me. It's simply just a Type C cable, and what I like about it is that it's quite durable as far as the actual cable goes. You also have a Velcro USB, or you have a Velcro strap here to kind of tie up all together so it doesn't kind of get tangled. But even so, it's a very high quality USB-C type cable. The cable itself, I can imagine that this right here isn't going to wear and tear. So the problem with my previous cable was that the ends over here would actually kind of fall apart. But with this Type C cable, it's actually well made and it's well stitched together so that these ends where my laptop actually charges isn't going to actually wear out, and then the insides are going to be exposed. But overall, I'm very pleased with this. The cable itself is actually pretty long. I'd say it's about 2 meters. I've got the 240 watt aluminum case cable, so 240 watts in terms of charging, and even so, I've also got a space gray version color as well. So it looks absolutely fantastic. So with that being said, I've had no problems with it whatsoever.